तुटतात इथून आणि फिकल मॅटरद्वारे शरीराच्या बाहेर टाकले जातात. पोस्टच्या फिकल मॅटरद्वारे, की जिथं ते परत दुसऱ्या कुठल्या तरी कंटामिनेटेड फूड पार्टिकलवर जातात आणि तिथून सेकंड होस्टच्या बॉडीमध्ये जातात, काइंड ऑफ दॅट. तर आपण सेकंड पार्ट बघणार आहोत, तर मॅच्युअर प्रोग्लॉटिड. आता या पॅरासाइट मधलं अडॅप्टेशन काय आहे? तर या पॅरासाइट मध्ये आता जनरली असं असतं, तुम्ही अर्थवर्म बघितलं असेल किंवा इतर बघितलं असेल, त्याच्या बॉडीवर सेगमेंट असतात, पण प्रत्येक सेगमेंटमध्ये सेम बॉडी पार्ट म्हणजे तेच बॉडी पार्ट काही पार्ट आलेला असतो. कंटिन्युअस बॉडी पार्ट असतात इंटरनल. इथे तसं नसतं. इथे काय असतं, प्रत्येक सेगमेंट इज अ सिंगल युनिट. एव्हरी सेगमेंट इज सिंगल युनिट. म्हणजे प्रत्येक सेगमेंट मध्ये काय सेपरेट रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम, सेपरेट एक्सक्रिटरी सिस्टीम, अशा प्रत्येक सिस्टीम सेपरेट असतात. ठीक आहे. आणि फक्त मॅच्युअर प्रोग्लॉटिड मध्येच रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम डेव्हलप होते. मग त्यामध्ये सुद्धा मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम आणि फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टीम दोन्ही एकाच मध्ये असतात. ओके, विच इज हॅव्हिंग कॉमन गोनोपोर. So this is called uterus, which is having fertilized eggs. This is ovary. Okay, oviduct, oocyte. Okay, this is vitelline duct, vitelline gland, fertilization duct. This is vagina. Okay, then there is a presence of this yellow colored. This tumala. These are the testes. There is vas efferens, vas deferens. Okay, so इथे हे common duct आहे for male reproductive system as well as for female reproductive system. Okay, so त्याच्यामध्ये दोन्ही reproductive system असतात. So the body of the tapeworm is divisible into head, narrow neck, long strobila consisting of pseudo segment. म्हणजे असे सेगमेंट असतात की ज्यांच्यामध्ये पूर्ण सगळे ऑर्गन पुन्हा पुन्हा रिपीट होतात प्रत्येक सेगमेंट मध्ये. त्याला काय म्हणतात, pseudo segment. And each segment is called proglottid. These tapeworms are hermaphrodite. That is, adult tapeworm, each mature proglottid in posterior region possess complete reproductive system of both sexes. Generally, tapeworm are protandrons or protandrous. Means what? The male reproductive organs mature before the female reproductive organs. Okay. The female reproductive system has ovary made up of either single or two lobe. On either side of the ovary, there is presence of yolk gland, Mehil's gland, which helps in assembling the component of the egg. The lateral end of the segment is vagina for entrance of sperm with enlarged chamber. This is seminal receptacle for storage of sperm leading to uterus. Male system consists of large number of scattered testes connected by minute tubes with the help of vas deferens. And vas deferens is coiled and has enlarged called seminal vesicle for storage of sperm. The end of the vas deferens opens into muscular organ called serous or penis. The serous can be retracted into the serous pouch or serous sac. इथे दिसतंय हे serous, green color. Both serous and vagina opens into common cup-shaped genital chamber called atrium. This is atrium, which opens by over to the exterior. Either self-fertilization or cross-fertilization occurs. म्हणजे जरी same male female reproductive systems are present in the same proglottid, तिथे क्रॉस फर्टिलायझेशन पण होऊ शकतं किंवा सेल्फ फर्टिलायझेशन पण होऊ शकतं. ओके, सो दॅट इज मॅच्युअर प्रोग्लॉटिड इन टेपवर्म. लक्षात आलं तुमच्या हे? येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to study certain ectoparasite. Study of certain ectoparasite. In that, the first one is called leech. Leech म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये काय?
जळू.
येस, जळू, त्याला जळवा असं पण म्हणतो. दीज आर द एक्टोपॅरासाइट, म्हणजे होस्टच्या बॉडीच्या बाहेर राहतात म्हणून एक्टोपॅरासाइट. इट बिलॉंग्स टू फायलम अनेलिडा, क्लास हिरुडिनिया. These are found in temperate and tropical part of the world, including India. And there are about 360 species of leech. They swim by vertical undulations and grip with suckers, moving by moves by looping. Leeches are blood-sucking animals. Therefore, these are called sanguivorous. They feed on the blood of fish, frog, cattle, as well as man. The leech is elongated, worm-like, soft animal, dorsoventrally flattened, measuring about 4 to 6 inches. आता एक इम्पॉर्टंट भाग असतो लीचच्या बॉडीचा, ते म्हणजे काय? देअर बॉडी इज डिव्हिजिबल इंटू 33 मेटामेरिक सेगमेंट. ही कुठल्याही स्पीसीजचा लीच असला तरी पण त्याच्यासाठी ही गोष्ट कॉमन असते की त्याच्या बॉडीवरती 33 सेगमेंटच असतात, 33 सेगमेंटच असतात. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट, बॉडी हॅज 2 sucker, one at the anterior region called oral or cephalic sucker, and the other at posterior region, which is called as posterior or anal sucker. The sucker also helps them for locomotion and for firm attachment with the host. They have saw-like 3 jaws, which make painless Y-shaped wound on the skin of a host, and they have suctorial pharynx and alternately expands and contract to serve as a suction pump to draw blood from the wound. Salivary glands secrete hirudin, which is anticoagulant substance which prevent clotting of the blood before it is taken as meal. The alimentary canal has a largest portion called crop, which store large amount of blood and which is capable of great dilation. ओके. आता हे जे लीच असतात ते बऱ्याच वेळेला आपल्याला कधी आपल्या शरीराला अटॅच होतात आणि कधी ब्लड सक करतात हे कळून पण येत नाही. एवढ्या जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये ते अननोटिसली तुम्हाला काय करतात की ब्लड सकिंग करतात, जखम करून वाय शेप्ड जखम बनवतात तुमच्या शरीरावर आणि ब्लड सक करत राहतात. सो दॅट इज लीच. वी ऑल नो अबाउट दिस. इन मराठी दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज जळवा किंवा जळू. लक्षात आलं तुमच्या?
हा सर.
हो सर.
Okay. Now the next ectoparasite, and that is called tick. Tick म्हणजे काय मराठीमध्ये? मी सांगेल. टिक म्हणजे गोचीड. गोचीड कुत्र्यांच्या वगैरे अंगावर जनरली दिसते. सो टिक. Okay, this is the body of tick. So it belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida. These are generally found in countries like India, Sri Lanka, China, Myanmar, UK, US. The body of tick is oval, compact, and unsegmented. Mouth parts are present on movable capitulum or gnathostome, and the rest of the body is called idiosoma. म्हणजे this is gnathosome फक्त, and this is idiosoma. The mouth part include chalazae and pedipalp, which are small ciliate having rows of recurved teeth. They are modified for biting, piercing, and sucking. The life cycle involves eggs, nymph, and adult stages. And they are economically important as a parasite of animal and pest of plant. For example, sheep tick, dog tick, bird tick असे वेगवेगळे टिकचे प्रकार आहेत. They transmit relapsing fever, spotted fever, related diseases to man. Some are causing partial paralysis. Some tick harbors and transmit Salmonella bacilli, causing paratyphoid-like disease in human being. They can also transmit leptospirosis. So that is tick. There are certain common symptoms of tick bite are given, like swelling or pain at the site of tick bite, burning sensation at the site of tick bite, then a rash or blister may appear, and there might be difficulty in breathing in some of the cases because of allergic reaction to tick toxins. And this is tick. लक्षात आलं तुमच्या tick बद्दल?
हाँ सर.
Now the last parasite, which is called as mite. Last parasite, which is called mite. Mite is also another ectoparasite which lives in the subcutaneous tissue of human being. आपल्या त्वचेमध्ये राहतो मुख्यतः. It belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida, and these are found throughout the world. सगळीकडे आहे ते. Mites are ectoparasitic and predaceous. Some ones are free living. The body is round or oval, not divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. They have no true head. The mouth parts are chelae and pedipalpi present on the gnathostome or capitulum. Okay, इथे वेगळं असं माउथ नाहीये. पेडिपाल्प आहेत. You can see here. The midgut has a long pouch to store food. The life cycle include incomplete metamorphosis, that is egg to nymph to adult. Mites are carriers of many diseases of animals and man. They are also intermediate host of protozoans or helminth. Some mite lives as an internal parasite in lungs and air sacs of snake, bird, mammals. In man, it inhabit the face and ear wax. माणसाच्या चेहऱ्यावर मुख्यतः राहतात आणि ear wax मध्ये कानातल्या मळात राहतात. In dogs, it is also found in lymph node. Okay, mite. You can see here the diagram. This is body, dorsal shield. These are the legs, pedipalpi. The pedipalpi is having sucking mouth parts, kind of this. Okay, so it is mite. It causes scabies. Scabies नावाचा disease. म्हणजे त्वचेला खाज येणं, नाईटसारखं होणं असं होतं. That is called, that is because of mite. It causes scabies. लक्षात आलं तुमच्या mite?
हाँ सर.
In that way, we have covered this parasitology practical. And in this practical, we have seen what? Many more things we have covered. We have covered a study of protozoan parasite. In that, we have seen Trypanosoma gambians. कुठला आजार कॉज करतो हा Trypanosoma gambians? आठवतंय का कुठला आजार कॉज करतो हा? African sleeping sickness. कुठला?
African sleeping.
Yes.